Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day here in beautiful France. And before we jump into today's video, I just want to come on real quick and give you guys a little rundown about what we're about to do today. So today's video, I want to tell you real quick about a company that's called Pearl of My Heart. And Pearl of My Heart does beautiful keepsake mold, nothing like I've ever experienced before. But before I take you into the experience of what Babe and I went on, the adventure that Babe and I went on, I want to let you guys know that whether you're in the EU or you're in the USA, there will be a 10% discount for you guys if you guys click any of the links down below and purchase one of the Pearl of My Heart package. I think the mold is something to experience. It's easy to do, it's fun, it creates a intimate memory, whether it's with your spouse, whether with any of your loved ones, your mom, your kids. Pearl of My Heart mold is beautiful and I think everybody should enjoy it. So if you are watching this right now, please go ahead and use the code MELISSA10 MELISSA 10 to get 10% off your purchase at Pearl of My Heart now, to experience this beautiful adventure that you guys, I'm sure, will be going on. Enjoy what Babe and I experienced with Pearl of My Heart. Babe and I will be doing an amazing mold that I'm pretty excited about, and the mold is coming from a company called Pearl of My Heart. Check that out. See, I took off the tape off the box, but I haven't opened it yet, so you guys gonna discover with me what is inside of this box, and we're gonna go on a pretty adventure. Discover what's inside this box. This box, there's things for us to make a mold of our hands. So I'm gonna go and discover with you guys what it looks like. So the first thing we're discovering in this box is that it have a pretty cool base, which is just a neat round board, and then we have a pretty nice, beautiful, well sealed bucket with the logo Pearl of My Heart written on here. And I already went ahead and take off the first seal, so now we're just gonna open it. And as you guys can see, I'm literally forcing. That's just to show you guys how secure this packaging is. Okay, so now in here, okay, I'm discovering with you, first thing, as I open it, I can see a pretty cool blue paintbrush, and then we have paint colors. I think we have white, this look like gold, and gray. Okay, so we have paints in here. All right, and then we have one package that says step 2. So there's a step 1 and there's a step 2. So it says step 1, molding powder. It tells you the weight of the molding powder on it. It tells you the importance and the caution, which I'm gonna read before I go ahead and do it. And then it have step 2, which by looking and also the pound, step 2 is heavier than step 1. And then it also have the importance and the caution on it of what to do. Then in here you have the Instagram card, and their Instagram handle is at Pearl_of_my_heart, at PEARL_OFMYHEART of my heart. that's what the mold on their card is looking like with their Instagram handle. Okay, there's also like a sandpaper in it. I'm guessing this is to sand the mold, or we'll figure out what this is for. Then we have a little stick in here. We'll figure out what all these cool gadgets are for. Now we have the instruction manual. I'm going to go ahead and read the instruction manual, and then Babe and I will come back and start our mold. So stay tuned to see what the outcome of our mold will be looking like. And I'm pretty excited because something like this, you can do it with your kids, you can do it with your partner, and it's a really cool keepsake. So stay tuned and be right back with Babe and I.
What idea did I have to marry a dwarf?
You like it short and spicy.
Short and dwarf, there's two different.
All right, you guys, I'm super excited about this. Don't ask me why. I think I should take off my ring.
Which
you think we should leave the ring on, or
don't use my left hand, so I don't.
Yes, you're gonna use your left. You want to use your left or your no? Use your right.
I was supposed to use my right.
Okay.
No, but so, if I use my left, I will take it out. I mean, I advise you to take it out.
All right, so we're gonna take it out.
Oh, you want me to take it out just in case?
Yeah.
So I'll put it beside
I think
yours.
you're gonna use your right though, but I'm gonna use my left.
Beside you.
All right. So one of the process that we need to practice is practice the pose that you wish to cast. So there are different poses that we can practice. There's this. So we're gonna put it down in the bucket, and we must not touch the bottom. So we're practicing our pose. So we have to put the, I think I need a stick because let me show that. We need to put our hand down in the bucket.
What we need not to do?
We need to not touch the bottom of the bucket.
Okay. And to be
Okay?
like this?
Yes.
Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
You said
which pose? You want to do this pose?
This one
or
is
we
walk.
can do,
You just give me another one
we
if you
can
want
do
to.
this one.
This one will be harder
To do like this.
to go in.
Or we can do this one. But do your hand like this.
Yeah, but you also have to try to, because if you're like this, you want to try to do that. That would be.
It's gonna be hard.
That would be
Or
hard.
we can do this one.
Oh,
This one we did the
yeah,
first.
this one is.
You like this one?
This one
I
is
like this
better.
one, and this one we feel like we're together forever. No, I know I'm cheesy.
Alright.
You like this one?
Yeah, this one is
Okay,
fine.
so this is the pose that we're gonna use. So when our mold come out, it should be like this. Isn't that cool? No?
You look excited.
I am excited. You know how long I want to do this? I've been wanting to do this since forever. So when I got this promotion, I had to accept. First thing we need to do, babe,
Add
is
the water.
throw 2 liters of water into the pearl of my heart bucket. I'm babe doing that right now. Hey, hey, hey. Hands in. Kind of rub your fingers so all the thing goes in between your fingers. Put your hand down a little bit more. I'm trying to go as far as possible, but not at the okay. Alright. Now we have to stay like this for 3 to 9 minutes. La 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 la. The only thing I'll advise you guys is make sure that you're in a good comfortable position.
Oh yeah.
The color will fade from purple to light blue to indicate it is hardening. After 9 minutes, you can tap a finger on the surface of the mixture to check whether it has hardened.
I can start to feel it's hardening on my
It's definitely hardening.
back.
You can, your hand can't move anymore like it was before. Even if you try moving, it's stuck.
5 minutes.
My hand's stuck.
It's getting...
You can feel a different surrounding your hand. It feels... I don't know how to explain the feeling. Like you feel stuck.
6 minutes.
So the color is changing slowly from purple to blue.
The blue is around where our hands are.
And I must say, to mix it with the electric mixer was brilliant. It mixed very well, and we didn't have any problem mixing. Maybe if we had mixed it with the spoon, we would have probably make a little mess here and there. But the electric mixer take it right to the point.
It's stuck, but in the same time, you can feel that if you're struggling, like put pressure to take it off, you take it off easy. It's just stuck in terms of, you know, when it's liquid, your hand can shake or move. Now it's stuck in terms of it's stopping it from moving. You can't move.
It's creating the mold perfectly.
Right, you can't move.
Okay.
You feel tough?
Touch it.
Okay.
The what? When you touch it, it's definitely
it feels
tough.
like a cake. You
like
know,
a
this,
cheesecake.
Like this type of cake, when you touch it, you don't get no cream on it. Look, I touch it in my hand, nothing on it.
Nothing at all.
Just
the water is gone. Okay, so it said the color will fade from purple to light blue to indicate it is hard after 9 minutes. You can tap a finger on the surface of the mixture to check whether it is hardened. And that is definitely the case right now. It is definitely
look all around.
Yep, all around us. Hard, hard, hard. No more purple. To slide your hands out of the mold, just wiggle your fingers a bit to break the suction. Do this one person at a time, beginning with the smallest. You can remove any flat bits at the top. Make sure it doesn't fall in. Okay, we are at 9 minutes, going 10 minutes. So I'm going to slowly pull out my hands. We did it! This is step 2. Throw water into the bowl, then throw this in, and then we have 30 seconds to let the mixture soak up the water. Then we have 90 seconds to rapidly mix it and make it become paint-like.
So basically, this is what to make the outside, and this is what to fill
the mold up.
The mold. So this is what's gonna remain at the end.
Mission accomplished. And now it says let the bucket sit and harden for 4 hours. Don't pour any excess step of the casting mixture down the drain. So
let's see if we did right. Be careful when you touch
there's nothing on me.
Be careful.
Right.
Well,
okay, guys, mission done. And now we'll wait 4 hours and we'll come back with the masterpiece. Hey guys, we are back a few hours later and we're going to take out the cast from the mold, or take out the mold from the cast. So, alright, moment of truth. Alright you guys, it's literally sliding out already. It's rolling in the bowl in circle, in the bucket by itself.
Hold it.
Yes. So we're turning it upside down onto the counter. Take it out.
It don't look hard to take it off.
Nope. Alright. Ta-da! Okay. So now we're going to gently peel off the blue to see what's inside.
The white is solid, while the blue is not, is like you can take it off. So you have to force. It's not that easy, of course, but
yeah, but it's not a lot of force.
right, so it's not hard. So we have to remove all of the blue. Around.
Keep going, babe.
I'm gonna let you do that.
No, you can do it with me. Oh.
Okay, so we reach the white and we can see that the white don't take off like this.
No.
We just have to be careful, but not to be afraid, because the white won't take off like this. Can
The
see
white is
the white
solid,
is solid like a rock.
but at the same time it's wet. So you have to be very careful not to break off the, oh my gosh, it catch every detail of our hands. Every little line in our hands it catch. That the detail is so beautiful. Ah! Isn't that pretty, honey?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
That's crazy, the details.
It is amazing, the details. The detail is on point. Oh my god, it's a beauty. I just want to pick it up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, that's on the outside. You guys, look at this. Look at that. So in between the fingers, we have some little blue that's remain. So we are going to go ahead and gently take out the blue that remain and put it down to dry, and then we'll come back and see you guys in 72 hours. Ooh.
This is down.
That's so beautiful. Alright you guys, so after cleaning out all the blue from the mold, from the craft, this is what we're left with. So now I'm gonna put it down and let it dry for 72 hours, and then I'll get back and paint it. Go ahead and paint it right now, and I decided that I'm going to leave it in white. It's finally dry, and I'm going to go ahead and paint it in white. All those blue will be gone whenever you put the final touches on it. So let's go. So after I finish painting it, this is what the finished product looks like. So there you have it, you guys. This is the perfect keepsake. You can see a little inconsistency here, but I could sand those out. So make sure you guys sand out yours if you don't want to see any little bumps or stuff like that. But for me, it's perfect. What I like the most about it is that it have all the little detail of our hands. So I didn't want to sand it too much.
I have to be careful because this is not into this.
It's not stuck to it. So on the side they sell things that you can cover it, little things that you can put in it, so you can purchase different things with it. But you guys, how cute is it? You like it, babe?
Yeah, that's good.
I think it's one of the most beautiful keepsake I've ever had.
That's a good one.
I'll cherish
you know,
this.
It's personal knowing that is your hand, and
oh yeah, you feel attached to it. You feel really attached to it. Okay, you guys, so here you have the amazing finished product. Hopefully you guys enjoy Babe and I creating this amazing mold. It is something that we'll always cherish, and I think everybody should have this. Now that Mother's Day is coming up, you guys can go ahead and give this to your parents, to your mom, to your in-laws, to your friends, to your family, anybody at all. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this. You can do it with your loved ones. I think it's a really amazing keepsake. You feel attached to it the minute you finish creating it, because you have a moment while creating it. It feel like, you know, it's a part of you that's here. This mold is absolutely amazing, one of the best things I've ever discovered. So now that you guys have seen Babe and I create this piece, you guys can get 10% off. Yes, you heard it right. Use the code Melissa10, MELISSA 10 to get 10% off your purchase at Pearl of My Heart. Get 10% off using my code over at Pearl of My Heart. They are amazing, and they have accessories over there that you can bling out your mold when you finish making it. They have glass cover that you can use and cover it, or just any little thing that they have on their website, and they ship worldwide, so don't worry about it. Shipment is really fast. Mine came within a few days, like 3 to 4 days. Mine was here. Hopefully you guys will go ahead and support. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the Delaveaus. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.